and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, I'm Nurse Alyssa, and today we're going to be doing a 5-minute mind map of abnormal lung sounds. So we're going to be touching base on crackles, bronchi, and wheezing. So let's get started. So first we're going to talk about crackles, okay? So when we think about crackles, we should be thinking about crazy fluid because there's normally fluid in the alveolar sacs, so mucus or fluid, okay? So what is the crackles that we're hearing? It's the popping open of collapsed alveoli, okay? We're going to hear it when the patient breathes in, okay? It can be high pitched. So we have coarse crackles and we also have fine crackles, and I'll show you examples here in just a minute, but we can have high pitched or a little bit of a lower pitch, and you can't cough them out, okay? Now, what are the causes? So pneumonia, bronchitis, pulmonary fibrosis, left-sided heart failure, so the fluid is backing up into the lungs, cystic fibrosis. So that is coarse crackles. So now let's give a listen and we can actually hear the coarse crackles first and then the fine crackles. So the next abnormal lung sound that we're going to have a listen to is bronchi. So this is secretions inside of the airway, okay? So it's heard on inhale and when the patient exhales. It can be loud, low, coarse, kind of snore-like, but normally you can cough them out. So what are the causes? So COPD, pneumonia, chronic bronchitis, and cystic fibrosis. Now let's have a listen. So the last abnormal lung sound that we're going to look at today is wheezing. So this is the narrowing or obstruction in the respiratory tree. So it's heard on inhalation and expiration. It's a continuous sound. It's almost musical whistling sound, okay? So what are the causes of wheezing? So lung disease and cancer, asthma, COPD, and congestive heart failure, or CHF. So let's give a listen to what wheezing sounds like. So that's all I have for this video, guys. I hope you did find this 5-minute mind map helpful. If you are looking for more of these, you can check out my Etsy store, and I have lots of them posted where you can print them out. But once again, that's all I have for this video. I hope to catch you in my next one. Bye for now.